Last week, the Penningtons met their interest rate. Dave saluted a dead credit card. Healing has begun. This week, Linda found the bank statement, and on it, the leaks.
Dave, what is StreamPile Premium Plus?
That's the good one, with the fishing documentaries.
We also pay for regular StreamPile, Dave.
The documentaries are in 4K.
Tonight's mission, the subscription audit. Every auto-renewal must justify its existence. None will be spared.
What's happening?
Mommy's canceling things.
Not the Wi-Fi!
The Wi-Fi is safe, Kyle.
Then I'll be in my room.
Here's the thing about subscriptions. Each one is small. $9, $12, $7.99. Alone, they look harmless. Together, they're a boat payment.
Do not bring the boat into this.
The boat brought itself, Dave.
Number 1, the gym membership. $40 a month.
I go to the gym.
You went twice, Dave, in 2 years.
$20 a visit is fair market price.
It is not. Canceled.
Number 2, StreamPile Premium Plus.
The documentaries.
Canceled.
Number 3, a meal kit service. Pause since March. Still charging since March.
I thought pausing was free.
They also thought you'd think that.
Number 4, Boat Enthusiast Monthly. Digital and print.
Linda, no.
Dave, yes.
The print edition has fold-out engine diagrams.
Canceled. Both.
Dave took a moment. We allowed it.
Daddy can have my magazine. It has stickers.
Thank you, Gracie.
Number 5, a music app nobody remembers downloading.
That one's mine.
Kyle, you have 3 music apps.
They serve different purposes.
Canceled. Nobody asked Kyle to subscribe.
And number 6, a cloud storage plan. For photos of the boat.
Memories matter, Linda.
The boat is in the driveway, Dave. You can look at it.
Canceled. 6 subscriptions. Total savings, $141 a month. Every month. Forever.
That's a lot of money.
I know, Dave.
You were right.
I know, Dave.
Historians will note, she was right. Again, today's scripture is found in Ecclesiastes 10:18. Through laziness, the rafters sag. Because of idle hands, the house leaks. A leaky house, a leaky budget. Same disease, different roof. Small neglect, repeated monthly, sinks the whole thing.
Like a boat with a bad hull.
Yes, Dave, exactly like that. I am so proud of you right now.
It happens to nice boats too, you know.
Here's what I want you to take away. Open your bank statement tonight. Read every line. You are probably paying for something you forgot exists, and it has not forgotten you. Cancel what you don't use, keep what you love, and put the difference on the debt. $141 a month is $1,692 a year. That is real snowball fuel.
Plus my $6.
Plus the $6. The button is still in reserve. Next week, Gracie opens a lemonade stand and out-earns her father.
What about Bitcoin?
Good night, Kyle.
You know where I'll be.
Like and subscribe for more content. New episodes every week.